Greg Evans, the Director of National Cybersecurity University in Georgia. Greg, great to have you with us. Was the EMA equipped for an attack like this?
I don't think that they were really equipped. People were not looking for an attack on them, maybe on Pfizer or on one of the other pharmaceutical companies, but not for them. This was a surprise to them. But reading what was out there, I did not see how the hackers did an actual attack on the EMA.
Okay.
Are you?
So they're basically, yeah, they're saying we know that hacking attempts though like this have actually gone up during the pandemic. That's on
Yes.
On healthcare and medical organizations. It's been ranging from
Yes.
anywhere from state backers to cyber criminals. So would we have any indication who would be behind this and what they'd be using this information for, presumably to go toward a treatment perhaps, and to profit off of that, I'm assuming?
Well, I do know during this crisis, this pandemic, that hospitals, especially here in the United States, have been getting hacked, from ransomware to trying to steal patients' personal information. Now, when it comes to the vaccine, excuse me, is free. So hackers trying to profit off of that, I don't see how they could make money off something that is free, since Pfizer has already been paid by all the different countries for the vaccine. Now, personal information is different. Now, Pfizer is not supplying the personal information, or they don't have the personal information for, let's say, every patient, but the hospitals do. And that's who hackers will really try to target, is the hospitals themselves. I'm sorry, I'm getting a bad
IBM
feed.
has been saying, oh, okay, sorry about that. Well, IBM is saying that the sophistication of their methods would indicate that it may be a nation state. You know, I'm wondering what the ramifications of all of this are.
Let me say this to you real quick, and this is very important. I've said it every time I've been on your show and other shows as well. Everybody wants to blame Russia, Iran, North Korea, and China every time there's an attack. That's not true. We just saw that with when Twitter got hacked. It was a 17-year-old kid in his mom's basement in Florida. What I have a problem with is when they say that there's state-sponsored attacks. How they need to be able to prove that. Now we do know that IBM said a week ago that some of these pharmaceutical companies were receiving phishing emails, and everybody in the company was receiving them, and they were just waiting for someone to be able to click on one of the links to open up and maybe get ransomware or steal information or open up a back door. But we should be able to see proof of where it came from. IBM, Microsoft should be able to say this is the IP address of where it came from. It's not that hard. So before everybody goes out and says, oh, it was this country or is that country, or they were stealing this information, they should be able to supply us more proof on who it is.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's just
absolutely very vague statements coming out of the IBM there. Greg Evans, great points. We appreciate your expertise as always. Thanks.